In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group notebooks in Evernote. This is a fantastic way to keep your digital workspace organized and enhance your productivity by categorizing and managing your notes efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, launch Evernote on your device and head over to the main interface. On the left panel, you'll see a range of options designed to help you navigate through your notes and notebooks. One of these options is Notebooks, which acts as a central hub for all your note collections. Go ahead and select Notebooks from this panel. This action will lead you to a list of all the notebooks you've created over time. Now, once you see the list of your existing notebooks, the next step is to find the specific notebook you want to organize into a group, or, as Evernote calls it, into a stack. Look to the right of the notebook title, and you will notice a small icon with 3 dots. This icon houses additional actions you can perform on your notebook, and it serves as a gateway to organizing your workspace more effectively. Click on this icon to reveal a menu with several options. Among the list of options presented, you'll find one that says Add to Stack. This is the feature that allows you to group your notebooks under a common category, thereby creating a stack. Stacks are particularly useful for maintaining thematic organization or for collecting related notebooks together in a way that suits your workflow needs. Upon clicking Add to Stack, you will be presented with 2 choices. If you already have stacks created, you can simply choose an existing stack and move your notebook into that organized group. It's a quick way to merge similar topics, projects, or themes together. However, if this is your first time using stacks, or you need a new category, you'll want to go for the second option, Create a New Stack. Select this, and you'll be prompted to give your stack a name. Consider something descriptive that reflects the category or theme you are trying to create. Once you've named your stack, the notebook will automatically be grouped under this new label. Congratulations, you've successfully grouped your notebook in Evernote. By utilizing stacks, you can streamline your digital note-taking environment, making information retrieval faster and your workspace far more intuitive. Regularly categorizing your notebooks will allow you to maintain an uncluttered view, vastly improving how you navigate through your tasks. Remember, the key to mastering Evernote is consistent organization. With practice, creating stacks and adding your notebooks to them will become second nature. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more of these organizational features to fully leverage the capabilities of Evernote. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.